morning. I'm kind of a mess, or I guess it's almost afternoon. I ran out of the house with wet hair this morning, so excuse me looking a mess today. We dropped Preston off, and then Kensington and I went to look at a house that I found that I really like, because if you watch my last video, we are only in this rental for a few more weeks until the end of October, so I guess like a month. So we're trying to find out where we're gonna go next, and I really like this house, so I'm really hoping that it works out. I've been texting Nate like crazy since we left. I'm like, we have to jump on this house. I really love it. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that everything works out and we can move into this house. It's just a perfect neighborhood. It's a little farther than Nate wants to live, just because his drive is gonna be really long coming home and going to work, but it's very family friendly. There's lots of kids, there's a pool, there's a park. I just think it'll be perfect for us. So yeah, that's really exciting. I really hope that works out. And then Kensington took a little snooze. I pulled up to Target, so I've just been checking emails and stuff. I always joke that my car is like my mobile office, because I'm like constantly like working and doing emails in my car or vlogging. I just live in my car. I'm always in my car. So yeah, we're gonna run into Target, grab a few things, and let's see, it's 12 o'clock. So then I have to head over and pick up Preston. So I think we're just gonna run some errands today, nothing crazy. I took the kids to Hobby Lobby yesterday and got them a bunch of like molding clay, which is really awesome. I'll have to show you guys because it's not messy. I really like it. And just a bunch of coloring books and different things. So we have a lot of crafts and little things to do. Preston's been asking me for ice cream like crazy because we haven't gone for ice cream for a long time, so I might surprise him and take him for ice cream. We will see how he is today. Just with everything that's been going on, he's been super moody, which I don't blame him. I have been too, but it's been really rough because he's definitely been acting out. He's been super cranky, he's not getting enough sleep, so I feel like I should take him for ice cream and cheer him up a little bit. Did you just wake up? Do you want to go into Target? What do you think? Beautiful. Are you gonna wake up, beauty? My little beautiful? You gonna wake up? She doesn't want to wake up. We just got done with Target. I seriously just ran in like really quickly and just got some stretch mark prevention lotion and just like a few things. It was really quick. What is that? Did you just steal a Tic Tac from my purse? They're always going through my purse. Kenzie stole my lip gloss earlier. Preston's stealing Tic Tacs. Mommy's a mess. How was school today?
Good.
What'd you do?
My tongue is orange.
Can you focus on school?
Yes.
Tell me about school.
I peed.
Did you have a good day?
Yes.
What did you learn about?
Nothing.
That's how my days are. I pick him up and he says nothing. I learned nothing. So who knows?
We only played on the playground.
I don't think you played outside all day. I'm sure you learned something. No.
We never went in.
Okay. So we are back at Target. I don't think I've ever gone to Target twice in one day, so this is a new record for me. But I just saw on somebody's Instagram that they have 20% off kids clothes in store only, so I thought we would swing by really quick and just see what we could find. Okay, I found some really cute stuff at Target that I want to show you guys, because all of their toddler, kid, and baby stuff was 20% off clothes and 20% off shoes. So I did grab some really cute stuff. I got these really cute little shoes for Kensington, and then these I'm obsessed with. I love everything glitter. And then I got this cute little sweater for Kenzie and just some leggings. And I got her this little shirt that I thought was really cute. And a little like pearl necklace. I thought that was so darling. And then I got a ton of stuff for Preston. I got Preston several just like plain collared shirts in red, one in navy, and I got him some plain t-shirts. I mean, you cannot beat the price. They're $6 and then 20% off. And then I also got Preston a couple of these really cute button-ups. These were $14.99 and then 20% off. Just some plain shorts. Some button-ups. Are you singing? What were you just singing?
My sunshine away.
Can you sing it again?
Okay.
Sing it again.
My sunshine. Don't please take my sunshine away.
Beautiful. What did your daddy surprise you with?
Put this dress.
Are you so excited?
I'll try it on.
You want to try it on? Daddy came home and got Kensington a princess dress, and Preston got, what did Preston get? A race car driver? Let me see. Oh, you are so beautiful. Let me see, Bubs. Put your mask on.
Grandpa, I got for Grandpa.
You need to show everybody your princess outfit. You guys look so awesome. Let me see, Kens. Yes, we'll show everyone. Is it bath time? Alright, I just got done giving the kiddos baths and they are getting ready for bed, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm so excited to be back into vlogging, so thank you for coming along with me. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you next time. Bye!